Okay, so I thought you guys might be interested in seeing how I apply my finish on my fire tools. It's a finish called Blacksmith Goop, and it's a mixture of beeswax, linseed oil and turpentine. Basically what you do is you apply it to hot steel, and you're effectively doing the same thing as when you season cast iron cookware. You're just burning that wax and oil material into the surface of the steel. Gives it a rust resistant finish, and it's a nice traditional finish. And also on things like fire tools, you haven't got clear coat burning off of the tool. It'll just naturally age with use. It won't have flaking off, burnt, artificial clear coat. So you can see as you apply it, as it burns into the surface, you get a little bit of smoke. A little bit of smoke's good. That basically means it's burning into the surface a little bit and forming a protective sort of layer. See there, that's one of my braided handles on a fire poker, done with a Blacksmith Goop finish. When that cools down, it'll be ready to go.